Hey friends, look at this water. It's all brown and murky. Yuck! Would you want to drink this? Me neither. But guess what? We can perform some cool science magic to make it super clean and safe to drink. Are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have our jar of muddy water. Look at all those little bits of dirt and leaves floating around. We call this sediment. The first step is to just let it sit. Be patient. Watch as the bigger, heavier pieces slowly sink all the way to the bottom. This is called sedimentation. See? It's already looking a little clearer at the top, but it's not clean enough to drink just yet. Now for the super fun part, building our own water filter. We need a bottle and a few special layers. At the bottom, we'll put some soft cotton. On top of that, we'll add a layer of activated charcoal. Charcoal is amazing because it's like a magnet for tiny, yucky things we can't even see. Next, we add a layer of fine sand and then a layer of small gravel or pebbles on top of that. Each layer has a special job to do. Okay, it's time to pour. Let's slowly pour our settled water into the top of our filter. Watch it travel down, down, down through each layer. The gravel stops the big leaves and twigs. The sand catches the smaller bits of dirt. And the charcoal grabs those super tiny impurities. Look at what's dripping out of the bottom. It's clear water. Our filter has trapped all the gunk. How cool is that? Our water looks clean, but there might still be some sneaky little germs hiding in it. So for our final step, we need to purify it. An adult can help with this part by boiling the water. Heating it up gets rid of any leftover germs that could make us sick. Now our water is finally clean, safe, and ready to drink. Wow! From murky brown to crystal clear. Clean water helps our body stay healthy, strong, and full of energy. So next time you see a glass of clean water, you'll know all about the amazing science that makes it safe for us to enjoy. Thanks for joining our water adventure today. Remember to stay curious, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.